Hey guys, what's going on? Puck here again with another little motovlog on my way to work. Also, just right off the bat, just let me know in the comments if you like these little short videos. I know I need to start actually get out and like do a ride. Oh yeah, rain hurts by the way. Yeah, I want to actually get out and do a longer ride so I can talk and like explore more. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I'm taking my Grom to work today because I don't have gas in my car at the moment, and I'm trying to save up money, and I'd much rather save money and ride this even though it's raining than drive my car. And rain doesn't bother me at all on a bike, so I'm used to in Fort Worth. All I had for the longest time was my Ruckus, and it wasn't even modded or anything, and I drove that thing like 16 miles to work and same back in thunderstorms and floods, and yeah, so yeah, rain does not bother me whatsoever. But it is nice out still. It's nice and cool. I'm glad that the humidity's like the storm brought a little cold front with it. So yeah, I'm on my way to work. Hope it's busy so I can get a new camera and also pay for a new mic type adapter thingy. What should I do? Ow, the rain hurts. This truck is obviously wrong. Not paying attention to it. Where you going, truck? What you doing? There's no one in front of you. Oh, now you're working on truck. Yeah, normally when I ride my I have like not bare skin. Oh nice. I'm wearing a gray shirt too, so it's gonna look awesome when I walk in. Keep Christ in Christmas. Sorry, my mind was just wandering. I just remembered a bumper sticker that I once saw. It was like dyslexic Satan worshippers. Yeah, dyslexic Satan worshippers worship Santa. That was pretty funny. But yeah, anyway, I am here with a short little ride. But yeah, once again, if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Leave a like on this video, it'd be awesome. And also let me know in the comments if you would like me to keep doing these little tiny motovlogs. Why is the light not on the inside? Is no one here yet? Oh yeah, it's like Sunday, and we open up at 4. So yeah, maybe I can just sit outside and talk to you. I don't know. I need my haircut. Off. Key. Lights. So yeah, anyway. Oh. I'm for once wearing pants. I never wear pants. Oh, another thing that I'm going to be probably doing is I'm going to be hopefully making this more into like, I'll keep everything on it, but I want to get better knobbier tires. I'm thinking like the 50/50s. I've had actually quite a few people message me recently about going on like actual like trail rides and stuff with them. And that would be actually awesome. I'd turn this into a trail bike. I can still like try to stunt and ride whatever and learn how to wheelie and whatnot, but I really would actually like to get into like trail riding with this. So yeah, anyway, I hope we are busy. I want to buy that camera finally, so I'm not always just using my GoPro. So yeah, anyway, I am signing out. I might continue, well, I know I'll post this video But I'm also, if I'm busy and if I do any cool piercings or whatnot, I'll throw that video on too. Keep it interesting and lively and spastic and funs and laughs. But yeah, anyway, have a good one, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.